Now let's move it over to London, where our very own Ram Levi is ready to share highlights from the Aviation Cyber Security Summit. Ram, so tell us, what are the major stakeholders fearing most from cyber-induced attacks on aviation, and what are they doing to prevent such doomsday scenarios?
Well, we all know, Barbara, that the aviation industry has a very good reputation when it comes to safety. However, in the last couple of years, the aviation industry as an ecosystem has begun transforming itself, introducing more IP or computer-related capabilities such as in-flight connectivity, in-flight entertainment, faster booking, and that presented new threats to the aviation industry.
All right. Well, tell us about the technology that's being built into these airliners built by Boeing and Airbus. And is this technology increasing the likelihood for cyber attack?
Absolutely. We now see the new, what we call E-enabled aircraft, such as the Dreamliner or the Boeing 787 or the Airbus A380. Those are what we call flying data centers. They have more than 1,200 different computer systems, whether used to control, command and control the aircraft, or the systems of the engines, or even the lights in the cabin for the comfortness of the passengers. So all this is controlled by computers, and they're transmitting in real time. Some of them are transmitting in real time their situation for preventing maintenance and to decrease the ground time of the aircraft when they arrive in different airports. So that increases or that expands the attack surface that attackers can take advantage of.
Now, tell us about this consensus there that physical security safeguards and cyber security safeguards must be merged, a more holistic approach.
Yeah, we call this the fusion approach. And here we heard from the Chief Information Security Officer of Gatwick Airport that they're introducing this new approach. They're training their physical security people to have some basic cybersecurity knowledge. So when they go around, we're talking about 1,800 security personnel. So when they go around the airport or when they question passengers, they take into account cybersecurity aspects. For example, which computers can be hacked, or if you see a blue screen or something that they might look suspicious for them, and they report it to the Security Operations Center of the cybersecurity of the airport.
And finally, what is Israel doing in this regard to enhance cyber aviation security?
They recently publicized a tender called Project Hercules, where they're asking companies in Israel to map and analyze the entire cybersecurity threats of the civil aviation industry, from airports in Ben Gurion to civil aviation companies operating in Israel, whether they're cargo or passengers, and of course aircraft such as the Boeing Dreamliner 787. This is, I think, one of the biggest cybersecurity aviation projects in the world. And the companies that will attend will probably achieve the most advanced state-of-the-art knowledge in the area.